this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to log a call inside of Zoho CRM. So the first step you need to do is open up Zoho CRM like you usually would. Then from here you need to go up to calls up here in the menu. From here you need to go up to create call and go up to log a call. Then this page should be popping up, and here you can add a call for, where you can either choose a contact or a lead. You can add related to. You can add call type, which is outgoing or ingoing or not answered. Then you can select the outgoing call status. You can add the call time start, where you can add a date and a specific time. You can add a call duration, a subject for the call, and a voice recording if you have that. Then down here you can also add a purpose of the outgoing call, where you can add a call purpose and either select either one of these and a call agenda. Then from here, if you scroll down, you'll see outcome of outgoing calls, where you can see the call result, where you can also choose one of these, and a more precisely description for the outcome for this call. But when you're done, you simply need to click save. And then you can see call created successfully. And then you can view the details up here like so. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!